दोस्तों आदाब अस्सलाम वालेकुम. As you all know that we are going to organize a dinner 26th October in Coral Beach Resort, Sharjah. It's a good chance to interact with our current Vice Chancellor, Dr. Naima Khatoon, as she's coming here and she'll grace the occasion. So we will sit, we will discuss everything with her. In fact, it is our moral duty also. So कहते हैं ना कि शिकवे जुल्मते शब से तो कहीं बेहतर था अपने हिस्से की कोई शमा जलाते जाते. So I would request all of you to please join us there on 26th October in Coral Beach Resort, Sharjah.